Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into today's market update. I want to first off by saying that I am so proud of all my private clients. See, what you guys on YouTube don't know, but when I do my market updates, I'm just giving you guys some market updates of what's going on here right now. You know what I mean? And so, but what I don't share with you is the exact trades that I get into. And I just want to share, I want to say that, you know, for you guys that have been saying that I've been wrong this whole month and blah, 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 and I don't know shit and all I have to do is go against you and so on and so forth. Okay then. We'll say that to all my private clients who are up anywhere between 250 and 300% return on one trade that we're in right now as we speak. So guys, I'm telling you right now, the way that I do my commentary is not the way that I trade. My commentary on these markets, like right now I'm going to give you some commentary on these markets, but I don't trade my commentary. I trade a proven system. So I just want to give a massive round of applause and a massive congratulations to a lot of my private clients. We're all on one trade right now, and for the last 2 weeks, it has taken off like an absolute rocket. And as I said before, it's down a little bit today, but like on Friday, it got to as much as like 300% return. Right now, it's still around about 250% return. 250% return trade, only in a few weeks time frame. So guys, there are amazing trading opportunities out there. So for you guys saying, "Oh, John, you're wrong. You don't know what you're talking about," blah, blah, blah. Alrighty. So guys, and I hope what I'm saying here right now is a demonstration to you guys that find a plan, right? So I'm going to give you my commentary. What's my commentary? The Dow Jones right now is getting into resistance level from the 26 to the 27,000. So I'm expecting a lot of resistance up here on the Dow Jones. That is my commentary. What do I do with that? A zero, right? As Greg Doucette, if you guys are into the fitness industry, Greg Doucette, he's a zero, right? A zero, nothing. Why? Because I have my plan. And the plan simply says when I get into the trade, most of the trades I do make a profit, okay? So if you guys are struggling right now, that means you're not following a plan. But my private clients, wow, I'm so proud of them. And it's been such an amazing trade, such an incredible trade for them. Especially when the market's not really doing much lately. So anyway, so we're getting into the sort of 26,000, 27,000 level, major resistance level up here, as you can see. And I'm expecting a lot of resistance. If it doesn't pause here on the Dow Jones, then I'm expecting a lot of rejection through here. The S&P 500, same sort of thing, right? Look at this here. On the S&P 500, we've got this resistance point up here. So I'm expecting to see some sort of resistance up through where we are right now on this weekly chart on the Dow Jones. And the Nasdaq, forget the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is like, you know, we have planet Earth and then SpaceX landed on Mars. That's where Nasdaq is. Nasdaq is Mars and the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, that's like planet Earth. So, you know, guys, we are going through a massive changing time in our world right now. And if you think that this is the start of another massive big bull market, you may be right, you may be wrong. Thank God I just stick to my system, whether I just want to buy some shares or I just want to get into a trading purposes and have a really good trade. I don't really care whether it's a bull market or a bear market. I can do well both sides, right? In fact, if the market does crash again, the system that I trade, guys, absolutely crushes it. There were so many amazing opportunities when the market crashed. So I'm sort of thinking, I hope the market crashes, right? Because the opportunities that happened throughout March, oh my goodness, and the opportunities that are going to happen in the next couple of years as the market does continue to go down overall. Yes, oh John, what are you talking about? It's been going up for a month. I know. But what I'm saying is overall, right? That's how markets work, don't they? If you watched yesterday's video, it takes a long time to form a top, and then we're probably going to see a secular year bear market, right? And what's happening with China right now? Donald Trump and the World Health Organization and China and what China's doing. Oh my goodness, guys, this is heating up behind the scenes. We just don't realize it, right? Because it's not really, you know, It's like, what happened to the coronavirus? Where's that gone now? We don't even talk about that anymore. What happened to that? Is that still around? Right? There's not even much news about the coronavirus anymore. Now it's about George Floyd, man. Did you see that, guys? Oh my goodness. That was just absolutely just crazy, wasn't it? Like, are you serious? I'm telling you right now, and now on the back of us being locked up all the time, or like all this time, and now this whole thing, people are just going crazy, right? Partly because they're so pissed because they got no job now. The country's been locked down. Oh man. And now the whole George Floyd story, oh my goodness, it's just, man, this world is going crazy, hasn't it? And you know what? And I'll tell you right now, guys, Ray Dalio has been 100% spot on right. What do I mean by that is this. He definitely points out throughout history that he says when we start to raise interest rates, that's the thing that pricks the bubble, right? When we start to raise interest rates, that's the thing that starts to prick the bubble. Have you noticed that even if when we did start to drop interest rates, the market still made a new high, right? The market went for a new high, but that was the start of, what was that sign? That was the start that we're about to go through a bit of a downturn, right? It may happen now or may happen, 6 months or 12 months from now, but we're getting ready for a downturn. Ray Dalio talks about that in his Big Debt Crisis, right? So he's been right there, and him and Ray Dalio were having a bit of a talk as well too, right? And they're talking and they're saying like things like, Ray Dalio's like, I think we're going to try and kill each other. I'll tell you right now, guys, the 20s is not going to be like, the last decade is not going to be like this decade. This decade here is going to be completely changing. And all I just say, guys, is I hope you got something that you follow, that you believe in when it comes to your faith, and also the way that you're approaching the markets, the way that you're protecting yourself financially in these markets as well too. Because my, oh my, things are getting absolutely crazy. GDX and GDXJ have actually had a little bit of an update today. It's still not really doing much overall. And GDX had a little bit of an update today as well too. Very nice update today, actually. A little bit of an update. Got a lot of resistance around this $50 mark. So I'm expecting to see a bit of a sideways movement out of this one here. But today is just a continuation of this nice move through here. Again, guys, when it comes to my GDX and GDXJ comments through here, guys, I'm all about probability. I'm not about being right or wrong. John, you were wrong. It's never about me being right or wrong. If you know that, if you think it's about being right or wrong, you have no idea how about these markets work. Okay? When I say I'm waiting for a nice dip or a sideways movement or something like that to get in for a longer term, to get in if I want to add to a longer term position, I'm talking about a probability basis, okay? I'm not talking about just throwing money at everything through there. And same for silver, right? And as you guys know, right, I've been saying ever since silver was down through here, I've been saying that this is the final low in silver, and we're probably like at a race to 1850. Guess where it is right now today? Almost hitting the target, which was 1850. Get you some of that. Also, I've been long this whole time too, so guess who's a happy camper today? Who's a happy camper today? Me. Because I've been holding on through this. I've been holding on through this massive rise on silver as well too. So really, really, really nice. It's more of a longer term play anyway. So I don't expect to sell that anytime soon. Sounds like a truck outside. So anyway, guys, that's it for me today. A little bit of an update today on that there. Firstly, guys, have something, firstly, big congratulations to my private clients. You guys are absolutely crushing it. If you guys are on that trade today. For you guys in the YouTube's land, if you think that, oh, I'm wrong and blah, 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 don't follow this guy. Okay. Tell my private clients who are on the last trade that we're in right now of a 250 to 300% return. And just, anyway. And with the whole George Floyd and the whole China thing, guys, if you think we're going to go back into another big, massive boom like we have in the 10 years, please open your eyes and look what's happening around the world. It's shifting massively right in front of us. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.